Students, and welcome to this online class video of 6th chapter Be My Multiple. I will be your factor of class 5 subject mathematics. Let's start the class. Now come to the today's topic. So today's topic is tiling problems. Yes, here we have only 3 word problems, and these word problems are based on factors, multiples, LCM and SCM. Now come to the first question. So first question, let's read it. There is a garden in Anu's house. In the middle of the garden there is a path. They decided to tile the path using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. So here you have to understand that they are using 3 type of tiles to making a path. Okay, and their dimensions are 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. Remember it, 3 different type of tiles they are using. Now the mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, the second row with 3 feet tiles and the third row with 5 feet tiles. Now the mason has not cut any of the tiles. Then what is the shortest length of the path? The last sentence you have to read it very well. Then what is the shortest length of the path? Shortest means here we have 3 different type of tiles and their measurements are 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. Okay, and we have to find out the shortest path among these all. So yes, what we have to do now? Yes, we have to find their LCM. Why I am going to the LCM? Because in LCM we have 2 and more than 2 numbers, 2 different type of numbers. Okay, and we find their common multiples. Okay, and the biggest one means the lowest one is the common multiple, means LCM of that numbers. So similarly that thing is applying here. Here we have different type of numbers like 2, 3, 5 and these are the measurement of tiles, and we have to find their shortest tile. Okay, for that we have to find the LCM. Let's have a solution of that question. So to find LCM we have 3 different type of methods. First is listing method, second is prime factorization method and third is division method. And these all methods you have very well understand in the previous video. If you have not watched that video, so link is given in the description box. Just go there, first watch that, then understand it. Now let me use common division method. So the numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So I am using the division method. So here I can see that 2, 3 and 5. Here 2 is a even number, so the smallest prime number is 2. Let me divide this. So 2 1 2. Now just bring down 3 and 5 because these are not divisible by 2. Now here we have 1. We don't need to divide it. Now 3 and 5 we have. So let me use another number 3. Bring down 1. Now 3 1 it is 3 and bring down 5 now. Now here you can see that the last number we have 5. So bring down 1 1 and 5 1 5. So we can write here LCM is equal to, what are the numbers? 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2 3 6 and 6 5 30. Okay, so their LCM is 30. So now we can say that the shortest length is 30. The length of the shortest path is 30 feet. Okay, now come to the second question. Second question is, Manoj has made a new house. He wants to lay on the floor. Now next, the size of the room is 9 by 12 feet. Remember it, this is the dimension of the room, 9 by 12 feet. In the market there are 3 kinds of square tiles: 1 by 1 foot, 2 by 2 feet and 3 by 3 feet. So which size of the tile should he buy for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? So one thing you have to understand here, without cutting we have to lay the room. Okay, so for that we have 3 type of size of the tiles we have in the market. First is 1 by 1, second is 2 by 2 feet and third is 3 by 3 feet. So now let's have a solution. First we will write the dimension, means size of the room. Okay, so the size of the room is 9 by 12 feet. Okay, and in the question there was a statement that we don't have to cut the tiles. So for that, what we have to do, we have to check the numbers, means what are the available tiles in the market. First is 1 by 1 feet, second is 2 by 2, and third is 3 by 3 feet. Okay, so now we have to check that which numbers are the factors of 12 and 9. So let's check with 12 first. So you can see that 1, 2 and 3, all these numbers are the factor of 12. I mean, this number can easily divide 12. So we cannot say that all the numbers, means all the size of the tiles we can take. So now come to the second, 9. This is the breadth, and we can see that 1 and 3, only 1 and 3 are the factors of 9. Okay, and 2 by 2 is not, means 2 is not a factor of 9. So we will not take 2 by 2 feet, because if we will take this 2 by 2 feet tile, so we have to cut it, then it can fixed. But there was a statement in question that we have to not cut the tile. So for that, now we can take tiles of the measurement with 1 by 1 foot and 3 by 3 feet. Okay, because these are the factors of 9 and 12. Now come to the third and the last question. Okay, the third question is, okay, here is a picture. Rani's house is here, Geeta's house and Nima's house, and here we have a road, and we can see that the distance from their houses is equal, 90 feet, 90 feet and 90 feet. Let's read the question first. Rani, Geeta and Nasima live near each other. The distance from their houses to the road is 90 feet. They decided to tile the path to the road. Okay, they are going to tile the path to join the road. Now they all bought tiles of different designs and length. Rani bought the shortest tile, remember it. Okay, Rani is choosing the shortest tile. Geeta is taking middle sized one, and Nasima bought the longest one. If they could tile the path without cutting any of the tile, what is the size of the tiles each has bought? Suggest 3 different solutions and explain how you get this answer. So here one important statement was here, that we have to not cut the tile. It means we have to find the factors of 90. Okay, we have to find it. So let's come to the solution portion. 90. Okay, so the factors of 90 are 1, 2, 3, 5 is also, 6, 9, 10, 15 and many more, means like 30, 45. So these are the factors of 90. So it means we can take the tiles of these measurements, means 1, 2, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, okay, 5 by 5, 6 by 6 we can take. So now first come to Rani, then Geeta, and the third one was the third. Let me go to the third. Rani, Geeta and Nasima. Okay. So if Rani will choose 1 by 1 feet, okay, then Geeta will choose its middle, means 2 by 2 feet. Okay, and Nasima will choose the biggest one, means 3 by 3 feet. Okay, because these are all the factors of 90, and the smallest one is chosen by Rani. The middle tile is taken by Geeta, and the biggest one is taken by the Nasima. Okay, it was our first way. Now let's go to the second. If Rani will take a 2 by 2 feet tile, so Geeta will take the next one, means 3 by 3, and Nasima will take another, means big one, 5 by 5 feet tile. Okay, now let's take another solution. If Rani will take 3 by 3 feet tile, so Geeta will choose 5 by 5. Okay, and Nasima will choose 6 by 6 feet tile. Is that clear? Okay, so here we have the 3 different ways of the tiles to making the path. So in this way our word problem is over. I hope that you have very well understand, and in this way this lesson is also over. Chapter 6, be my multiple, I will be your factor. So see you all in the next video.